I just want to show you this chart as well of the S&P 500 in terms of how far we've gone, gentlemen. So we were trading at a discount to the September price to earnings ratio, but as you can see on the chart, we have actually gone back above that now. And you've got some out there saying, look, actually, we can go quite a lot further because of low inflation and low bond yields. Can we go a lot further on this rally, Paul, based on those two elements, low bond yields, low inflation?
Well, no, I don't think so, because the low inflation, for me, is something which starts to constrain profitability. Because we are seeing rising costs. The support for the economy comes from the consumer. The support from the consumer comes from tight labour markets, which are leading to wage increases. Now, they're not, huge wage increases, but there are wage increases coming through. And so you have a choice. Either you get inflation or you get squeezed profit margins. It's a binary option, and we are tacking towards the squeezed profit margins. Profits fell as a share of GDP in the fourth quarter. So I would argue that this environment is not one which necessarily pushes us to a dramatic increase in equities. I think it's a risk-on environment, but I'm not sure that you necessarily play that through an overweight equity position. That wouldn't be our bet at any rate.
Are you overweight equities, Julian? Because I know you're saying to stay invested, but just talk me through your equity strategy based on the chart I just showed.
We're firmly on the fence. We're neutral on that. we divide equities up into equity like risk, so that's corporate bonds and the like, so below AA, and then we look at pure equity.
Right.
We are neutral on pure equity, and we are underweight equity like risk, which is corporate bonds. So we've been gradually taking a little money out of the overall equity portfolios, and that's the way we will trend through the rest of the year as well. And so I think I agree that it's very difficult to see profit margins expanding in this current environment. And I think there's a number of reasons, low inflation, wage pressure, to worry about whether they will compress.